Welcome to the Midtown Chimney series, Why We Inspect, with myself, Byron on the Rooftop, your host, as we inspect fireplaces and chimneys across America with problems and issues ranging from bird nests and direct vent flues, clearance to combustibles on solid fuel burning appliances, and much more.
Wood stoves are built to handle heat, but only up to a point. On this job, the stove had been running too hot, but the bigger issue was the connector pipe in the room. It was the wrong type and installed too close to combustible framing, a serious fire hazard hiding in plain sight. On this inspection, we found stress fractures in the stove body, cracks caused by repeated overheating that compromise the structural integrity of the unit. A cracked stove body can allow carbon monoxide and combustion gases to escape directly into the living space. Inside, the buildup told the whole story. The homeowner had no idea how bad it had gotten. The stovepipe was also running too close to combustible framing, a serious fire risk hidden completely out of sight.
And that's exactly why we inspect. Most customers have no idea what's actually going on in their chimney till someone actually takes a look. I'm Byron with Midtown Chimney. If you haven't had your chimney inspected in a while, give us a call. We'd love to help. Sweep, inspect, trust. Oh, and don't forget to feed the Google monster by clicking like and subscribe if you would, please.